Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. Right now it is 5:16. Okay, that's self-obsessed me. Posted this picture I think so on my Instagram. I really like this picture and hence it's on my phone. It's on my wallpaper. I don't think there is anything wrong in that. So today I just felt like vlogging. Today as in like right now. Half of the day is gone and I literally look so bad right now. I'm looking at my screen and why do I do this to myself? Do I look any better in any of these directions? No, I don't. So that's me, that's my face, bear with it. I wanted to go out for shopping, you know, just wanted to buy myself, you know, nice clothes, maybe, you know, sweaters, and I want to buy a bag. Who am I even lying to? I just bought 12 guys, iPhone 12. Okay, I almost sold my kidney. Such a nice phone guys, it looks so pretty. हालांकि मैंने EMI में खरीदा, एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर इतना ही अफोर्ड कर सकता है. So yeah, this is the phone guys. So you know when I was buying this phone, I just thought you know कि ये काफ़ी है, अब कम से कम 2-3 महीने शॉपिंग नहीं करनी है. बट मी बीइंग मी, आई रियली वांटेड टू बाय अ बैग. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीजन. आई हैव नो आंसर टू दैट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द फोन आई बॉट. इट्स अ रियली नाइस फोन गाइज. Oh my god, I'm in love with the body especially and also the color. I wanted to buy the green one but when I bought white because this was the only color available in every store and I'm like it's okay, chuck it, I want to buy it, I'll buy it. It was costing for rupees I think so 85,000 or something, but I had 6S 32GB and I had XR 128GB. I returned those. Then there was some HDFC ka 6,000 cashback and with all that I was able to afford this phone. So yeah, that's the thing. It looks really nice. Oh, can you see me? Okay, I look ugly. So that's the plan. So right now I just got done with some work and I gave up and I'm like my brain has stopped functioning. So you can hear my voice as well guys. Here is me trying to vlog, you know, randomly, abruptly, and to be honest guys, you also know that vlogging is not my thing. I believe it's okay, whatever, we're gonna talk about it later. So let's just go right now and make some tea. Let's go. And you know, another fun part is a lot of people ask me, you know, like how do you stay alone, don't you get bored? अरे time किसके पास है बोर होने के लिए? I have one job that takes up my entire day. I work, so my company pays me for 9 hours but we tend to work for almost 12 to 14 hours. So half of the day is already gone. Then I have to sit down, then I have to plan my video, then I have to reply to my emails, like my YouTube related emails, then I have to, you know, edit as well. So when do you have time? And I enjoy my company a lot, so don't mind me saying that. Comment down below and let me know how many of you are staying alone during this pandemic, because I don't know, for some reason it's a big deal for people. I really wanted to make that video, you know, the skit kind of a thing, you know, when people ask, you know, questions you get when you stay alone, you know, something like that. You know, it'll be a nice idea. I'm not very good with acting, so I never try skits, but this is something I should really do because the amount of question I receive on a daily basis is insane and I can totally create a content out of it. Why not? So जब तक हमारी चाय बन रही है तब तक मैं ऊपर से कपड़े लेके आ जाती हूँ. That's my life guys. Oh yeah. रिश्तों के भी रूप बदलते हैं. Whatever. Difficult. Alright, let's put it in some room. That's how I get the clips back. Can you see this? Why do I do this? I can get that bag upstairs. But I don't do that. I always do this. Always. Now I'm gonna put it back to the packet. Currently, all I see in my Instagram is wedding pictures. Secondly, reels on these songs. Mirchi, 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 nazare tirchi, shakal firmi, blah blah blah. Pehli bari aavangi to mummy ji nu lavanga. Cute si bahu da introduction karavanga. Na 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 na. ना 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 स्माइल. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. ओके, इफ यू डोंट, ये वाला जो ट्यून है गूगल के पास लेके जाओ, गूगल बताएगा कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. एरियाना ग्रांडे का पोजीशंस क्या Make you love on Monday. Na 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 na. Ariana Grande ka song. Oh my god, when I start scrolling through my reels, I just feel like, you just get bored. There are so many songs. I know that song, this song. All these songs I know because of reels. I never heard them. I just know this much. This beats. Whatever is, like trending on Instagram. Power of social media. This is the sad chai situation right now. Meri chai ready hai. So yeah, what I was saying is it's really difficult to vlog alone because camera भी खुद ही देखो, खुद को भी खुद ही देखो, फिर चीजें जो कर रहे हो उसको भी खुद ही देखो. Amazing. So now I'm gonna have my tea and I'll catch you guys in some time. Maybe whenever I plan to do something else. Alright. So I'm back from my tea break. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. Haha, that's how I waste my time. So remember 10 minutes back I was bitching about all these reel songs that are, all over the internet right now, all over the Instagram. I don't know, for some reason I feel like I should also do it. So, by the way, I have a new manager in my life. Not officially as in, but my friend Aanchal.
So I always discuss everything with her, okay? Like what I want to post, what reel should I post, if this video looks good or not. I always keep my video unlisted and I share the link with her and I'm like, just go through it, just let me know if it looks good to post and all this stuff.
So I was simply talking to her and I told her कि please मेरी manager बन जा. She's so lovely, she took it so seriously. अब वो मुझे बैठ के reels भेजती रहती. What I'm gonna shoot right now is this one. Wait.
Exactly why you light me up inside like.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
This baby. How come these babies are so talented? मैं जब इतनी छोटी थी मैं. So firstly, I need to practice, okay, how to do it. Okay, I think I got it. I think so, I got it. This is the last time I'm gonna do and uske baad we're gonna change and then we'll do it. So मैं इसमें खुद के थोड़े changes करने वाली हूँ. I feel this is a little offbeat. Okay guys, I think so. I'm ready. So I'm gonna change now and yeah, let's just do it.